Alright, so now let's review the order of operations. So we're going to talk PEMDAS, order of operations. Alright, we know that as PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That means parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So if I was to give you an example, let's say this is just a simple order of operations problem. 3 minus 6 squared plus 7 divided by 8 minus 3 times 9 squared. Okay, that's going to be crazy, but we're going to do it. I start with parentheses. 3 minus 6 is negative 3 squared plus 7/8 minus 3 times 9 squared. Exponents. Negative 3 squared is positive 9 plus 7/8 minus 3 times 9 squared. We're not done with the exponents yet, so 9 plus 7/8 minus 3 times 81. So now, we're done with the exponents. We move on to multiplication. So we have one multiplication issue here, and that is negative 3 times 81, which I don't really want to do this on my calculator. So I'm gonna, be a math teacher and do this out. It's 324, negative 243, because this is a negative 3. So now we have 9 plus 7/8 minus 243. Alright, now we have addition and subtraction, and we work left to right. So we got to find a common denominator here. So that's 9 times 8 over 8 plus 7/8 minus 243. And I'm going to make this a common denominator as well. That is a 3. Okay, so that's 72/8 plus 7/8 minus whatever 243 times 8 is, and I'm going to cheat. Come on, you stupid computer. 243 times 8 is 1,944. So 1,944 over 8. 72 plus 7 is 79/8 minus 1,944 divided by 8. And again, we're going to cheat and use the calculator. 78 minus 1944. And that is negative 1,886. I think. What was that? Negative. And of course we can reduce this, but I don't think we need to go over that to lowest terms. In stats we have lots of formulas that get pretty complicated. So I'm going to use an example from our stats handbook that they give. I'm going to walk you through it. Um, so you don't have to read it, because, you know, we're all lazy nowadays. How to use order of operations, that's rounding. Need order of operations, thank you. Alright, so in this problem, they want you to find something called a z-score. Be helpful if it would stay. Alright, so we want to know, here's a formula, z equals x bar minus mu over s divided by the square root of n. We are given that x bar is 5, so x bar equals 5. Mu is equal to 3 times 7, which is 21. I don't know why they're doing 3 times 7. S is equal to 5 squared. And n is equal to 100. We know 5 squared is 25. So all you need to do is substitute these in. So let's go up here. Z equals x mu, which is 5 minus 21 over s, which is 25, divided by the square root of 100. Okay? So there's no parentheses, so we're not going to do that. Exponents, it appears that we don't have any exponents, but remember that square root is actually, square root of something is actually equal to raising it to the 1/2. So our exponent is actually the square root of 100. So 5 minus 21 over 25 divided by 10. That equals negative 16 over 2.5, which, trusty faithful calculator, negative 16 divided by 2.5, which equals negative 6.4. Of course, you're going to learn what this formula actually means later on in the course, but just for now, for the purpose of how we would do this in stats, just a quick little example for you. If you need any help with orders of operations, you can look at the examples in your stats handbook, or you can go to some good math websites. This one's a good one, www.purplemath.com. Okay, you can also try just plain old www.math.com, or just Google order of operations. You can also email me. Okay, good luck, and hopefully you get this concept. If not, we'll get you there.